What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going to go over LCX, which is down 1% today at a $288 million market cap at 37 cents. We have 775 million coins in circulation out of 950 with an all-time high of last bull run at 56 cents. We're not even in the parabolic phase of the bull run yet, and you're only down 34% from your all-time high, your prior all-time high. So this thing, in my personal opinion, is going to easily smash through that all-time high and go much, much higher than people probably anticipate. Now, the all-time low is 4 years ago. If you bought 4 years ago, you'd be rich and you wouldn't be watching this video. Now, currently available on the following markets as well. Looks like Kraken, Coinbase, Uniswap, of course, the LCX exchange, and there's 4 other pages down here you can look at. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on LCX. All right, ladies and gentlemen, LCX to the moon. Now, what we're currently going to be monitoring here for LCX is our prior high that we experienced back in March 2024, which is all the way up here at 48 cents. So keep 48 cents in the back of your mind. That is going to be our next contender. What we want to focus on here in the short term is staying above the 618. The 618 is currently at 36 cents, 35, 36 cents. So as long as we stay above 35, 36 cents, I think we're golden to start rallying higher for LCX, probably up to that 1236. Indicators right now look similar to a fake out. It looked like we were heading pretty bearish here. We had 1, 2, 3, 4 days where we were losing our bullish momentum rather quickly. And the last 2 days were followed by engulfing candles. So there's two different situations that I see here for LCX. Either we're going to be heading back down to the 382 area at about 30 cents, or the 618 here at 36 holds and we start rallying. Now, if we look at the current day chart candle that's forming right here, this is called the hammer candle that's currently forming. It kind of looks like a hammer. You can see you have the handle and then the hammer top. That is a bearish or a trend reversal candle. It's a reversal saying, hey, we might be going down. If we saw a reversal hammer candle was something like that, that would be an indication for the price to go upwards. But with that candle currently spawning in and the indicator still kind of being pretty high in my personal opinion, such as the RSI tailing up and the WTX in the red, I think the likely outcome for LCX is probably going to be heading back down to around 30 cents. Hopefully I'm wrong. Hopefully I'm wrong. But right now, that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for. And then if we drag the fib a little bit lower on LCX, that 30 cents is sitting right there at the 618 on the initial run up, on the initial push up right here. So I wouldn't be shocked at all if we went back down to that 618 one more time for LCX for some tight consolidation before we started rallying. I mean, if we go to the 4 hour time frame and we kind of see what's going on here, it kind of looks like we saw a double top here in the short term. You have the one top, two top, we're getting rejected, probably one more push down and then a rally up from that point on. So I think we'd be a slight bearish momentum for LCX, and then we'll see a larger push up from that point on. And you can kind of see we are forming some sort of channel, falling channel right here, which is technically a bull flag. Nonetheless, something like this, you can see up, down, and then maybe an up continuation pattern to that 1236. But inevitably, I think LCX during the bull run is easily going to smash through $1, guys. I think this 1618 is a good area to keep an eye on for the bull run, top at about $1.25. Who knows, maybe even higher. But right now in the short term, I'm going to be slightly bearish on LCX, but in the long term, I'm going to be massively bullish on it, guys. You guys are almost at your all-time high. We're not even in the parabolic phase of the bull run yet. So keep an eye on a drop probably down to 30. And then a continuation, we could throw a wick down there, but something like this for LCX, that would allow the indicators to cool down and allow us to reset and regalvanize the troops before we start our next ascension to the moon, which would take us up to that 1236 area at about 65 to 68 cents. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.